I think Italian is in a tough spot not having their imports. And I know that's difficult. But you know, the basketball season is a marathon and people get hurt, people go home, and it's all part of the process. And so for me, my job is to get our guys ready to play. I don't care who we play. I don't care who the other team has. We have to, you know, we're a very young team. We have to come focused and we have to come energized. And I thought that we did that, especially after being off for 3.5 weeks. So not really looking at the score. I was pleased with our energy level today.
那他知道说桃园这边
的话，人员上有些状况，但是其实来讲，整个赛季就是这样子一个长期的对抗，有人会受伤，有人会离队。那其实他不会管其他队，他就专注在做自己的球。尤其是我们梦想家球员比较年轻的情况下，他主要还是专注在说我们去执行好我们要的东西。所以他对球员们等于说将近3个礼拜多的时间没有比赛的情况下，后来第一场正式比赛的整体表现是满意的。
I think I've been in a lot of playoff series in my life. A lot as a player and as a coach. In Canada, every series is always best of 7. So I'm very used to the ebbs and the flows of a playoff series. And anything can happen and anything can change. With our team, I take everything day to day. And when I handed out the scouting report a week and a half ago, the very first line was 1 game at a time, 1 quarter at a time. And so I do not look at the end of the series. Now we have to recover. We have film in the morning and we get ready, have good practice tomorrow and we get ready for game 2. It's all connected. It's not over yet. Nothing happened. We won the first game in the series. That doesn't mean anything.
就可以看到，其实他心态上不会去放松，就他那时候他跟球员们再去做一些那个，等于说我们的作战计划，其实包括他第一句话就讲说，这是一个马拉松，每一场、每1分钟、每一节都是要认真去抓，他不会现在就觉得说后面的情况会去预期。他就是一步一步来。